So I just grabbed my coffee here at Coffee Bean and Tea. So it's actually raining since I wake up, so I just decided to just grab coffee downstairs. Okay, these are the establishments here. We have 7-Eleven. Actually, there's a restaurant in the corner. And then here is the laundry. The water station. It's crazy raining. So we also bought a gallon of water with water already for 235 pesos or less than 5 USD. So what we have from Coffee Bean and Tea. Okay, so it's we have this cheese. What's the name of this? I forgot. Oh, it's burned. How come? It's hard for people to understand why it's burned. Which is not remarkable. Cream cheese, bread with cream cheese. Ta-da! It's kind of burned. And then we have large caramel macchiato. I like the way they sell it today. Large caramel macchiato. And regular caramel macchiato. Regular caramel macchiato. For about less than $10. It's still raining and heavy and windy. I don't know now. No more now. No more now. Not really raining now. So let's have some coffee now. So the swimming pool is closed today for cleaning.
Not Monday. Not Mondays, it's closed.
Today's Monday, yeah.
I thought today's Tuesday.
Today is... Oh, sorry, it's Tuesday, yeah. What? Time flies. Time flies, it's Tuesday today. Oh, my gosh. Tuesday. Here's your coffee. I also prepared it. Okay. You want also egg?
The same kind of work where the workers live, they built the same kind of buildings in
Manila.
Manila,
Yeah.
yeah.
I think they are the same company.
These are a little bigger, but they're exactly the same.
And there are so many. You know that we are only like... Are we only 100 meters away from Mega World? It's just there, huh? Mega World is just in the corner.
Well, we have to walk around.
Yeah. But I mean, yeah, we are so close. But then we don't have shortcut from here to Mega World. Maybe if they finish this construction, they will build a shortcut, like way you can go to the other side, go to the other side. So close to each other. It's very convenient. Even we don't have shortcut, we still walk there. Okay, let's try the coffee. I actually love their coffee. And then we are trying to finish all the stamps. And then we can redeem the bag from Coffee Bean. I love it. This one's like 3.7 USD. I think that rain and wind is from the next typhoon, or they just pull each other. The previous typhoon Christine and the upcoming typhoon Leon. So yeah, it's raining. Maybe we'll just stay here for a while. I need to go to SNR. So I am walking now to SNR. At least no more rain. But I have to bring umbrella at least. In case it will rain again. Rainy guys. So SNR from our place is like 1 mile away. Yeah, so I am now in the middle of the roundabout. The chimney monument. So if you go straight, that area is going to SM. But we need to turn left here to the SNR. This is the Stronghold building. And then the other side is the People's Condominium here at San Rafael, Mandurriao. So the left side, that green building, is the Medicus. It's a public hospital. Healthcare Plaza. So SNR is just beside the Medicus. Okay, we're almost at SNR. It's a little bit rain right now. The rain is just on and off. Okay, there you go. Because we have our SNR membership, then we can just shopping in any SNR everywhere in the Philippines. Here they have a big parking lot here. So they're open from 9 to 9 p.m. 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. So we got our cart now. And let's just go to the dairy area. Buy one, take one. Awesome. Wow. So it's big. It's always a huge shopping center. Imported goods here. Bacon. Okay. So we got some cheese. Of course, 1 kilo of bacon, American bacon, and we need some coffee mate. So this is 429. Let's check the expiration. I cannot see the expiration. Expiration for this one is February 2025. So yeah, it's fine. Let's proceed to, we have a lot of meat at home, so I don't need to buy it right now. Let's proceed to vegetables and some fruits. We also do shopping online, so I don't need to go buy a lot of stuff this time. I need some white onion, so let's just grab some. I think this one is 162. Let's check the rest. This one, small ones. This one looks better. This one, okay. Oh, some fruits here. I think I grabbed some banana. This one looks better. I think I'll get this one. Let's grab some. I think just this one. Ooh. 38. Oh, so small. 32. 49. I just need some. Okay, let me check water. I don't need much. Okay, this one looks better. Okay, I grab some fruit as well. He likes this one, kit, but cannot find it fresh. So let's grab some. Wow, oranges. Maybe just apple. This one is actually good. Just grab this one. So we're done shopping, and our total payment was 4,021 pesos, or like we're just waiting for our Grab car.
$2,000 years later.
So finally, we are here again at my friend's house. So we'll be having our lunch here.
I bought this early this morning because kids love it. This banana muffins.
Oh, muffins. Ang cute naman ng muffins na yan.
129.
Parang ano siya, banana?
Banana muffin.
Ah, okay.
With
That's why.
chocolate.
Oo. Ang cute naman yan. And then she prepared sinigang Filipino food. And we have also lasagna. Pasta, lasagna lang, no?
Ano?
Lasagna.
The muffins.
Which one?
The muffins are-
Yeah, 120
Really? It's
pesos.
3, 6, 9, 12. So it's like,
10 pesos.
yeah, 10 pesos each. Enjoy your day, people. Until next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe on Darylada. Bye. Peace.
Everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.